Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to iron on faux leather material. First thing I do when I want to iron on a design is I pick my design on Cricut Design Space, and in this case I've already made these earrings right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer them with an iron-on material, the iron-on vinyl. And so what I want to do is I want to print these little hearts right here so that I can iron them on the actual design that I have already cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it. I've already duplicated it, I think, so I just want to double check. I take the 2 heart. I want to duplicate that. I want to make it. I don't need to mirror it because it is just a shape. I do, however, want to block that out because I don't want that. I just want to print this part right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my material in the machine, and then I'm going to cut this out, and I will show you how to iron it on the faux leather. Okay, so the next part of the video I'm going to show you is how to iron on. I already have the earring made, and I have already cut out the iron-on. I have heated up my iron, and the next step I'm going to show you is how to iron on faux leather. So what you want to have is parchment paper, and what that's going to do is that's going to protect the faux leather from getting burned or the vinyl from getting ruined. So I'm just going to pull out a little bit of my paper. I'm going ahead. I just cut it for the size that I need. I don't need it very big. So I'm going to go ahead. I should actually cut these apart. And I'm cutting them for the size that I want them to be. So I go ahead and I put the iron on. So I go ahead and I put the iron on right where I want it on the faux leather. I can go ahead now, take my parchment paper, put it over the design, and then I get my heat machine. You could even use an iron for this. And then I go ahead and I hold it on top. I'm going to do it the full 30 seconds for the 305. I'm going to go ahead and take my heat source off. I'm going to go ahead and do a hot peel. So to peel it off, and I go ahead and I have my iron on. And now to do an extra layer to be safe, I like to go ahead and put it down again, put the parchment paper over, and then I just do a quick little once over to make sure my design is the way that I want it. You want to be very careful that you don't burn yourself. This one I'm just going to kind of hold in place for a couple of seconds, move it back and forth. I don't want to really go too crazy. It's already been heated. This is just a double check. So my parchment paper has protected my iron-on leather, and now I have a new earring. So here was the before earring with no vinyl, and here's the after earring with the vinyl, just so you can see a comparison there. Okay, so it's quite easy to use iron-on faux leather. Just use your parchment paper, and that will be good enough for you. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.